Hope you're doing amazing. What is up, guys? In this video, we are going to show you how to remove an item on your cart on Temu. So if you're shopping on Temu and you misclick or mistap and you want to remove something from your cart, so as you can see here, we have one item in our cart, right? We have an LED handheld flashlight. So for example, we just made a mistake and clicked on it and we want to remove it. As you can see here, we are on our cart and there is no option to remove it, right? Well, there is. Temu is still not optimized to the highest degree. So if you want to remove something, all you need to do is click on the minus sign. So we have a plus and we have a minus sign. Plus is to add more of the same item. Minus is to remove from the items, right? So if you only have one, click on the minus sign like this. And as you can see here, your shopping cart is empty. So that's how you remove something from your Temu shopping cart. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.